is we'll start disconnecting slowly but surely and try and get the vehicles out of the ring as quickly as we can so that we can show you our next demonstration. Please try and be a little bit patient with us while we get these. Obviously these take us a long time to hook up, an equal amount of time to unhook. So please be a little bit patient as we do that. We want to work our way down the straight bars and unhook and then the lorries can go out. So all I can say is just, if you can bear with us, don't go away from us because we've got a couple of great demonstrations still to do.
Well, that's it. You can't odds the truth of this, can you? There it is, under your nose, in front of your eyes, over 300 tons here at Bloxham, all being hauled along by that single 8-6 Scammell up there in the front. What worries me more than anything at this show is one day we're going to, if we don't keep making the arena bigger, we're going to end up with the front lorry fixed onto the one at the back, and we won't know which one's in front and which one's at the rear. The line's getting longer and longer all the time. So here's a test for you now. They're coming up onto this incline. Watch that AEC, see if he's actually doing anything there.
Just about losing traction there, I think. He's starting to get an awful lot of weight there, ladies and gentlemen. And I think Paul will have to give him a little nudge just to get him round that corner. Yeah, he's